some banana, guys.
That's all he knows.
Welcome to our new video.
I could blame it on your lips, your touch, your kiss, you know, real traditional.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Noganda Godinich. I'm a South African based in Croatia. As you guys can see in today's video, it's a bit different. I'm going to be exploring Luka's village where he was born and raised. We are staying in a different place right now, but I'm going to be showing you around where his parents live and just how they live the life here, and how much I would love to actually move here and, you know, do the whole life thing around this part of Croatia, because I just feel like the nature is beautiful, and I've always been the biggest lover of nature, you know, planting your own food and growing your own things, you know, like I've always loved something like that. So you guys, I'm going to be exploring that with you and just show you around everything and what's going on here. You know what, let's get into it. Casper, come on, Casper. Oh, he's a good boy. Casper is a good boy. Come on, let's go, Casper. Okay, but how do I go up here? Casper, do you know where is grandma's garden? Hey boy, do you know? Wait, here. Look at, guys, look at, where is it, Casper? Where is grandma's garden? Casper, where are you going? Hey, Casper. Hey, okay, yeah, bye-bye. Shoot. Okay, this is grandma's garden, I think. This is where we get all the lettuce, all the onion and everything. Because we don't buy none of those things, you guys, I promise you. Yabona ma veg, like aswateng. These are apples. These are apples, huh? Guys, an apple tree. They are everywhere. The apple trees, literally everywhere. Everywhere. Just like the mango trees in South Africa. Lana, the apple trees are everywhere. This is where they get all the salad. We don't buy salad. We get the salad from here. No green onion, or lettuce, green onion, all these things we don't buy it at all. This is where Luka gets it. Green beans here. I think I'm a zambane lawa. Hey, angazi oh, but I think I'm a zambane lawa. I'm guessing this is where, oh, it's spinach right there. I'm guessing this is where grandma sits and watch her garden. Here's another apple tree. Literally, apple trees are everywhere. Everywhere, you guys. Everywhere. This is an apple tree. Look how pretty it is. Hey, Casper. Hey, boy. Hey, boy. This is spinach. I don't know what this is. Hey, guys. I cannot remember the last time I saw a garden. It was a long time ago, because but that was the last time I saw in garden. Like, I can't even remember what the trees look like, to be honest. But now that I'm seeing this, I think these are the potatoes. I don't know. So what was that I was seeing there? Baby, can you come here? I think these are the potatoes though. I think these are the potatoes. Hangers. But I think Luka knows. Because nabo vele bakhule kanje kuyatshalwa kubo izinto eziningi, they don't buy them from the shops. Meat, amaqanda, lutho nkosami, they don't buy those things from the shops. Those are potatoes, huh? Right there. Oh yeah, those are potatoes. Yeah, I just, you know, and so I'm guessing I was wrong when I saw this. What is this? I think maybe I was wrong. These are potatoes also, huh? So I was right. Okay, so I wasn't wrong. Casper, what are you doing, Casper? And this is green beans and some green onion right there. Look at it. Look how pretty that is. Yo guys, now I can live this life. Shame. Let's move to the farm, to the village. Guys, mina no baby ngathi sizomove to the village manje. Sizomove la.
Move to the village.
Sizoba nengadi yethu. Sizoba nengadi. Hawu yazi mina ngayijabulela lempilo because this is how I grew up. Ugogo nje wayetshala embazwana. Ugogo. Wayetshala. Yeah, why would it be in your grandma's garden? Yeah, guys, okay, let me show you something. Apple trees la, they are everywhere. I'm gonna show you another apple trees that are just all over the road. It's like mango trees. Kasper, we are not sitting down, Baba. We're going. This is an apple tree. That's another apple tree right there. That's another apple tree. Like there's apple trees everywhere. Here's another one. Literally everywhere there's apple trees. It's like South Africa and see mango trees, because we have mango trees everywhere, and like it's something we shouldn't even be buying because we have it everywhere. I don't know why people buy mango in South Africa. It's crazy, like literally apple trees, and they have apples. It's not like it's just a tree freestanding without fruits. Apple tree with apples. Another one right there, apples. Like oh Jesus, laba lezinto abayisweli. It's like angazi. These are the normal ones, not the sour ones. It is, baby. Baby, they are the same like those ones. Oh, look how you're scared.
This is poisonous tree.
Why would they plant a poisonous tree in a garden?
Not poisoning, man.
These are sour berries.
Sour cherries.
Sour cherries. Hey, Pega, all this time you look, I'm saying these are sour berries. These are sour cherries, guys. There's literally almost everything in the garden that you need. Sour cherries, and they're really good. Oh, my husband.
And nothing is all artificial.
He's in my garden. Hey, guys, bear, look how happy he is. Good boy. Casper. Good boy. Okay, let's go, baby. I'm apple, pears, cherries. Oh, there's more cherries right there. This is very, like this is really crazy. Look at these. Literally a whole bunch. Look at this. A whole bunch, you guys. Look at this. Kasper musukungvimba phela. Bukan. A whole bunch, you guys. This is like crazy. Kasper, you are everywhere. You are everywhere. Okay, let's go further. But they're nice.
Krališti, halo. Zašto spitting around? Kaj?
Let's do some things here in the garden.
Ne.
Whose garden is this?
One part is grandma's, I think.
Really?
I remember last time.
Yeah, I do remember that we did take some things here the other time. Ooh, I'm getting hot. I'm getting ready. But man, I love it here. I just imagine, when we get our own space and, we can just have, we wouldn't have to plant anything. I would probably do it with grandma because I love having a garden, because it's something we grew up doing with my grandma. I just really think it would be nice for us to own something. Show them around. Look at this. It's all nice and green. Oh my gosh, the gardens, and wow, like guys, like I promise you, it is so beautiful out here. Casper is taking a shit. Look at him.
On the road, man.
He's like, yeah, on the road he's taking a shit. Yo.
He just said we're probably gonna have some ticks when we come home.
You think?
Da, haide, we need to hurry, man. Hai mă, timenia, că atenci.
Yo. Yo, we ma. It is so hot.
Humid, man.
Yeah, she said a muffin.
It's cloudy,
But
but it's still
hot. No cars, no people, nothing. No working machines of people building large buildings or whatever. You know one thing about me? I love being in the city. Like once in a while, I'm not gonna lie, I love being in the city like once in a while, but I love this kind of life. Like I would definitely love this kind of life for myself. Like just have a house in a village. They call it villages here, not I'm a farm like us, but like have a house in a farm village and just have a small beautiful house and have a garden and just enjoy the nature, and just once in a while pop my head in the city and, you know, have that fun, have a drink somewhere, and then go back home. And you know what I love the most about Croatia also? They make their own alcohol. Like, guys, I'm not talking about umqombothi. I know that's our traditional alcohol, but I'm talking about wine, like literal wine. They make their own wine. Inyama, they grow their own pigs and slaughter them, and you know, babe nyama for the whole year. Same thing with chickens. They have their own chickens, and you know, kuba zahluka khona lezi zinyamaqanda bese kuba lezi nje abayislaughtayo and have the meat nje, have them for the whole year for nyama. And then bese kuba lezi zamaqanda. Yabona nje thina sino look, we don't buy eggs, we don't buy meat, we don't buy veggies. Some mama veggies, sometimes we do buy carrots here and there, and maybe sometimes we buy peppers or green pepper, you know. But anyanisi, garlic, lettuce, potatoes, we don't buy none of that. Eggs, meat, like we don't buy none of that because they have all that stuff here. I'm gonna show you guys this. So I'm gonna show you a few things, like the chickens that actually shit eggs. I don't know how else to put this, but yeah, they shit eggs. So I'm gonna show you the chickens and ingulube, and there's even rabbits, you guys, can you believe it? So let me show you. Look at this. So these are the chickens that shit eggs. Right there. I think this is where they keep them. I mean, this is where they sleep, the chickens, and you know, they just lay eggs everywhere. That's the word I was looking for. They lay eggs. And we have rabbits here. I don't know why they're keeping these rabbits. Hopefully they don't eat them. But look how huge these are. I'm so scared even to touch, like, because they are huge. Guys, look at my hand, and look how huge that is. I've never seen such a big rabbit. Like, look, these are big. Look at this one. This thing is the size of a cat. Yo, look. It's the size of a cat. These are so big. Guys, what sound do rabbits make? Because I swear I have absolutely no idea. Yo, guys, I'm gonna have to stop from here because I don't want to record Magaluka and, you know, everybody. This is a rosemary tree. Look how big this is. And this is not just the only one. There's so many of them right there. All these. Rosemary trees. This is mint, huh? This is a mint tree. Look at this. You don't have to buy mint from the shops here. Are you coming with me? On the eye there. Now I'm getting out of Lucas' parents' house. I just want to show you guys around just the neighborhood, just a few things around here of how it looks. It is really beautiful out here. I mean, I can see some people were already looking at me and it makes me feel so shy, but yeah, whatever. So this is like, you know, just umgaqo ophumayo kuboka Luka. Like guys, this is a village, eh? I mean, you can tell ukuthi it's villagey like, but the houses are really beautiful. Okay, so let me show you ogunye. Okay, just listen to this. Yeah, I love the sound of birds. Like, I love it. Let's go this side. I want to show you guys when we used to stay here in Luka. Like, we were staying here for a few months when I was coming here back and forth in Vagasha. Like, we used to come here in Luka. Like, we used to take a walk down the road, if you see there. Like, we used to take a walk down there. Casper! We used to take a walk down there. So there's a place there. It's like a community house thingy, like where people, you know, do birthday parties, you know, these village people. It's really beautiful. I want us to go this side, baby. We're probably gonna go all the way to your dad's garden, the other garden. Casper, unya everywhere, literally everywhere. You're taking a shit and peeing. I kind of miss it here, huh?
I don't know. Walk.
Guys, you cannot tell me that you wouldn't love staying in a place like this. It's very peaceful. I can't hear a damn thing. Like, no, literally nothing. Stop recording Casper's ass. Oh, it is beautiful. Oh, look at this. Look at this view. But in winter, it's very bad, I promise you. It's really bad in winter. It looks really nice in summer, very green. Oh, in winter, it's very scary. So right now, it's really beautiful. Really beautiful. Casper. Casper.
So we can deal with other stuff. Traveling.
Really? See? The husband agrees with me. He wants us to move here.
That was big apple trees here.
They cut it down? Oh, because there's so many of them. I mean, look here. Oh, guys, I don't know. This really makes me think a lot being around here. This is like, oh my God. Look at this. It's beautiful out here. Can't remember the last time I was here. Oh, look at these. Oh, white, pink, red. Beautiful. Hey, Casper. Hey, Casper. Yeah, but of course to her. Shit. Of course to your mom it looks like shit. I'm not gonna lie, Shem, you know, I've always loved this kind of life. It's just, you know, it would even be much nicer if we have our own house. Like, Yoy. Hey guys, man. Hey guys, man. Casper. Yes. Hey, Casper. Casper is walking like a fat woman. Oh my gosh, Jesus Christ. Oh.
Walk. Shame, no quando shame.
That.
Josip.
Ah, that's Marcus' friend.
Da.
Oh, that's good. Shit.
Ja, presta.
You have to buy this house.
People are living here.
Ah, I remember this.
That guy I was talking about, he's in Ireland. That's their son.
Your friend?
Yeah, he's in Ireland.
Guys, I'm gonna ask hubby, like, what does he think about his village, because he grew up here. So I'm just gonna ask him, you know, just to hear it from him. Like, what does he think? Does he think it's a place where he would, you know, in future? Casper, what are you doing? Okay, so as we were saying, I would ask him if he thinks this is a place he would raise children in future. So hubby, luthini uvo lakho?
Hi.
Uvo lakho luthini? Your umbono wakho, like your opinion about your village.
My opinion is that I like staying here, but it's a little bit far from the town.
Uh-huh.
Actually, it doesn't have a lot of shops,
Uh-huh.
stuff like that. So that's
Yeah, but
one
what?
of the worst thing. I mean,
Mm-hmm.
I really hate that. But all in all, it's nice. You know, the nature and everything.
Mhm.
Plant a garden here.
Yeah.
It's nice. It's fresher air than in Velika Gorica.
Yeah, some fresh air. Not a
You
lot
can
of
take a
people
walk,
around. Yeah.
Around here in this forest, they have a lot of this forest path, you know. where you
Mhm.
can walk.
Very
It's
beautiful.
nice. And there's not a lot of people.
Look at the views.
And
Very
also,
quiet.
like one of the things that also I don't like. There's not a lot of young people who stay here,
Mm-hmm.
and even the ones that stay here, they some.
Baby, you can't say bad things about your village people in this video. Please, let's try to be as respectful as possible.
Really, I mean, of course they grew up in village, so they're not really, how would I say, they don't speak another language. They're not really into the life that we are into, like traveling, you know, stuff like that.
I mean, it's not
don't
things
really
they.
Care,
I mean,
care
I can't-
about that stuff.
Yeah.
They only care about village life, and you know, that's it. So.
Okay. Okay, you guys. So I'm guessing that's hubby's opinion about his village. I mean, I don't really know a lot about it. So, but I think what he's saying is really true. But for me, because guys, I'm not gonna lie. I love peaceful places with like that don't have a lot of people that have, people that are always gonna have an opinion about your life or how you're living your life. One of the most things I would love about this village is just to have a house, have my own garden, and keep to myself. If I do see friends, I'm going out of the village, I'm seeing those friends, and I'm back to my house, not bothering anyone, have my own garden, growing my own food, and just not having to worry about a lot of things, that people worry about in this lifetime. So yeah, like I love it here. Look how peaceful it is. You see a car like literally once in a while, there's a car coming. But guys, and one of the most things I'm gonna tell you, it is very safe in Croatia. Like this, you see this here. This is where I used to walk by myself when hubby is at work and I'm home bored. I used to walk here all by myself without having to worry about anything in the world. Literally, like it is very safe here. If you do walk past a person, like everybody's minding their business. I mean, they do give me stares because obviously I'm an African woman in a country that doesn't have a lot of African people, especially in the village. Like they don't see black people, so they do look at me, but it's not in a bad way. it's not that look that you guys when you're black, you're never really lonely because there's always a white person all of in your business or whatever you guys say. I don't care about that, but like, they don't give you that kind of disgusting look. It's that look that, oh wow, you know, I've never seen a black person around here. I wonder where they stay. I wonder, you know, what are they doing? I wonder what brought them to Croatia, you know. That, you know, they're just curious to know about things. But yeah, everybody here minds their business. So yeah, I love it here. And to be honest, in future, hopefully hubby and I, we actually work on getting ourselves a house here and, you know, live that peaceful life of not having to worry about a whole lot of things and just have our garden. Because also, I mean, it's not like I would want to be a stay-at-home wife. No, definitely not. Not a stay-at-home wife, but I would love to just, you know, grow food at home and not have to worry about buying food, because I love cooking and I love using fresh vegetables. I love using fresh vegetables. So I imagine this, a nice beautiful house, a garden that gives you everything you need. Whenever you want to cook something, you just go to the garden, harvest and go cook. Oh, you guys, I would love something like that. Like look guys, I'm gonna show you this view of the houses. I think that's where we came from, right?
Yes.
Okay, you guys, I'm gonna show you the view of the houses on the other side from where we are right now. It is so beautiful. Yo guys, yo, it's so peaceful here. Just look at that. Oh, Casper, hey, Casper is minding his business. He's standing on business, ignoring me. Look at this, guys. Look, oh, I love it here. Okay, so this is another garden. Where's your dad's garden here? Oh, look. Okay, now you guys look. Another garden. It's Lucas' parents' garden. Look at the apples. Oh, this video is even clear. Look at this. Look how clear it is. Look how fresh these are. They're so fresh. Like literally, so fresh. Wait. Yeah. Okay, guys. This is a grape tree. These are grape trees. Actually, this is Lucas' dad vineyard. This is your dad's vineyard, right? This is his dad vineyard. This is where he gets the grapes to make wine, because as I said, he makes his own wine, his own rakia, like vodka. He makes his own rakia. My husband ugibele ihlahla manje anembuka. Look amawuwa lapho. Mawuwa lapho. Ngithi mina, if you fall there. Asazi inkosi impela. Anembuka ezihlahleni. Uzowa ngitshela. Hey Casper. Hey boy.
Kaj glumiš ti? Ne glumim ništa.
I don't have pockets.
Nimam.
But all these are gonna fall now.
Pa kaj radiš ti? Ej, halo.
Hi, why did you give me a lot? Cherries. Straight from the tree, bruh. Where's Casper?
I know.
Casper! Ooh, this is good.
Ayo. That's all you. So that's the thick.
It's not. It's just,
It is.
it's just bugs, dude.
It's a thick, man. I don't know.
There is a was. As now. Hey, try to catch it with your with your mouth, not your hand. Throw it on me. Let me catch it. Not the one from the ground. Udagi, we're not that one. Give me a fresh one. Let's try another one.
So I'm gonna be throwing cherries around now.
I got this one.
Nah.
You have small mouth.
It's enough cherry.
Ah, bruh. Straight from the trees. Peaches. These are plums. Still growing. Baby, where is Casper? Okay. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please, if you have any questions, don't forget to ask in the comment section and I will make sure to respond to everybody. And if you're new, please don't forget to stay tuned and subscribe, and please share with your friends. Tell them to come and watch me because my content is interesting. I love you guys so much and I really appreciate the support. Bye, y'all. See you on my next video. Mwah.